everyone, welcome to my channel. Mother's Day is coming soon and I would like to share some tutorial for easy card making. So let's start. For this you will need one card paper. This is like normal your drawing sheet. I have taken 13 by 16 centimeters of size. Some quilling papers. I will be using only red color from this. Then one red color. First I will start with quilling. So I need two shapes. One is heart shape and one round shape. So first I will make heart shape. For this I am cutting quilling strip from middle of it. So for heart shape we don't need tight quill. That can be a little bit loose like this. And we'll keep aside for a few minutes. Meantime I will do other rounds. Making heart of this is very easy. You just have to press from one end like this and then press from middle of this side. Let's see how to make rounds. For that I am dividing this strip in 3 parts. And I will just make tight quill. Like this. So let's do the next one. So similarly, you will need to make like 25 hearts and 20 this round shape quills. This is like very whitish types. I will give just little bit background color for it. This is very easy technique. For this you will need any kind of color which you like. I am taking the red one here and use toothbrush. So just dip toothbrush in color and spread like this. Yeah, that's it. I will let it dry for some time and then we'll continue. So this is completely dried now. So I will just make heart shape on this. I will write mom in middle of. You can use any font which you like. I will fill this with red color. You can use sketch pen, watercolor or red pen. Anything is fine. So now we will stick filling hearts and round in heart. So you can use any pattern for this. Just make sure you will be sticking them in heart shape. So like this, complete your heart with quilled hearts and round shape. Mother's Day card is ready. So from inside as well, I have colored this with same technique which is used for the front page. So you can write a message for your mom. I would encourage all the children to make this card for their mom for Mother's Day. And please share pictures with me on my Facebook or my Instagram page. So happy Mother's Day to all wonderful moms in world. If you like this card, please click like button, share and subscribe. Thank you.